Welcome to Powerful Pairs number 3. Again, it's important to learn in pairs. Powerful pairs must be learned as pairs, without any deviation or variation. Here's a quick reminder about learning any new vocabulary. Don't try to memorize the words. Watch and listen to new vocabulary materials a minimum of 12 times to gain brain retention. Pure and simple is the first one. Pure and simple. Something is just as it was stated or said. Just accept it at face value. In a sentence you say, "It was a mistake." Pure and simple. Nice and easy. In a careful, gentle way or manner. He parked the car. Nice and easy. Peace and quiet, tranquility, freedom from any disturbance. When the children left, I was able to have some peace and quiet. Rant and rave, to talk loudly, usually in an angry tone. Henry is ranting and raving about the poor service at the restaurant. Here and there, in many places. Aside from some books here and there, the library was quite bare. Neither here or there. Something not important or relevant. Usually just a passing comment. I'm going out with a girl from Mexico. Mexico has 68 official languages. But that's neither here nor there. Hit and miss. Not reliable. Sometimes successful, sometimes not. Making a souffle is a hit and miss deal for me. Up and up means legitimate, honest, and respectable. I'm not sure if investing in cybercurrency is on the up and up. Up and down. Look at something in both directions. To look at something thoroughly. When I went in for the interview, I felt they looked at me up and down. Ups and downs. A mixture of good and bad experiences. Fluctuations. The stock market has a lot of ups and downs. Now and then. From time to time. Occasionally. I think about my university life now and then. Now here's a song using now and then.
I heard a song on the radio just yesterday. The same one you always asked me to play. And when the song was over, I wish they'd played it again. Oh, yes, I do think about you every now and then. Oh, I love my life, and I'd never trade between what you and me had and the life I've made. 'Cause she's here and she's real, but you were too. And every once in a while I think about you. I've been laying here all night, listening to the rain, talking to my heart, trying to explain why sometimes I catch myself wondering what might have been. Oh, yes, I do think about you every now and then. Every now and then.
And that's all. Hope you'll come back to my channel often, not just now and then.